This is what inside the box. It have different languages instruction here, and then this yellow piece of paper is the tip for use. So after you receiving this, make sure that you set your admin fingerprint to the lock first, okay, before you correct the unlock command. And then the handles of the smart lock is able to rotate 360 degree when it's normal, okay. So this is the lock itself. So this is the smart lock, and then it comes in the accessory. So inside the accessory, what we have here is the lock cylinder extension, and then we have the screwdriver, we have the Allen key, and then we have a cross screwdriver, and then we have 3 fork cut here. And we have the handle screw here and the silicone plug, and we have this pin here is for you to reset, which I'll show you in a minute. So this is the smart lock cylinder. On the top here is the wake up button, sort of like hello wake up, and then you have your scanner here, and then this is a display screen which I'll show you later once I put on the batteries. And then this is the front part of the lock, so you put it outside of your house, and then this is the lock mechanism here, and then this is the lock that is inside your house, okay. And I have a QR code here. It's for me to scan, and then I can set up the account through the apps here. So they have this sort of silicone cap here, and you can see inside here it have it said reset, so there's a little hole here, so you need to use your pin and put it there to reset it. So for this one, if anything happened that you cannot open the door, you can use a power bank and to charge the lock via the USB cable, and then you unlock the lock via the WELOCK app, okay. So this is for any emergency.